Okay, if we want to create multiple box plots on the TI-83 or 84 calculator, we begin by putting the data into L1 and L2. So suppose I had two classes and I recorded their grades on the last quiz, and I have class 1 here in L1 and class 2 in L2. And I wanted to compare them with box plots. Press second y equals. We see that box plot 1 is on, but I need to turn on the second box plot. So I'm going to come over here to plot 2, press enter, let's turn it on. And I need to select that same type, that fourth one down. Make sure that the X list is in L2. If it's in L1 still, you'll just get one box plot on top of the other. I can press zoom and then select number 9. And there they are. And again, I can press trace and trace on these individually. We see the first class had a minimum of 34, Q1 68, and so on. Maximum, someone got 100 on it. Scroll down one using the down arrow, and we see the max in the second class was a 91, and we can look at its 5-number summary and see it in the box plot. Now suppose I wanted to actually see a histogram and a box plot superimposed on each other, because this distribution looks like it's going to be left skewed. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe do a histogram. I'm going to turn off plot 2. So plot 2 is off, and in plot 3, I'm going to select a histogram. It is selected. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Again, press zoom 9. And there we go. There's the histogram and the box plot on the same axis. I can press window. Let's make a slight adjustment in that window. For the histogram, I want that X scaling to be maybe 10. Let's press graph again. So now when I trace the box plot, I can see the minimum and so forth. I get the same thing I got before. When I arrow down, maybe I want to know how many are in that bin between 34 and 44, and I see I've got 2. Nothing between 44 and 54, and so on. So I see the biggest chunk of my data. I've got 6 people between 84 and 94.